Here are some common mistakes people make when speaking English, along with tips on how to rectify them. Number 1. Incorrect tense usage. I go to the store yesterday is not correct. I went to the store yesterday is the correct one. Number 2. Subject verb agreement. She go to the gym every day is wrong. She goes to the gym every day is correct. Number 3. Preposition errors. We should not say I am good in English. We should say I am good at English. Number 4. Pronunciation error. Pronouncing comfortable as comfortable instead of comfortable. Practice correct pronunciation by listening to native speakers and repeating the words slowly, breaking them down into syllables if needed. Number 5. Using double negatives. We should not say I don't need no help. We should say I don't need any help.